Video?
Ha, video qiling.
Aha, boshladik.
Hozir. Aylana qo'ying. Mana hozir biz Ichanqal'ada turistlarimizni ko'rib qoldik. Hozir biz ulardan ana shu Xiva shahrimiz haqida o'zlarining taassurotlarini so'raymiz. Can you tell us about your impressions about our Xorazm and Xiva? Ichanqala.
Yes, for us it's incredible. For us it's the first one of the most conservative town that we have seen in Uzbekistan. And the impression, the best impression for us is for the people, because it's so kindly, so for us it's a really good impression.
It is a very historical place, and I know in Italy also very historical place. There is many.
Yeah.
And what is the difference between your country and Uzbekistan's historical places? How do you think?
I think that yes, it's difficult to compare.
Yes,
Sorry,
yes.
my English is bad.
Okay.
I understand, but it's difficult to speak.
Okay, I understand.
But how can I say? I think this for the Silk Road is for us is like a dream, because we have a lot of historical book.
Yeah. You saw only on TV or on movie?
No. I have read some book
By books?
for historical form, because the exchange between we come from Rome, from the Silk, from the merchant, and so Alexandro Magno before the Greek, and we have studied all this country in the school, and after I have this dream to see. Last year we stay, for example, we stay in Iran. And some years ago we stayed in Syria before the war.
Okay.
And so we every year when it's possible we can take a little tract of the Silk Road.
You came today to Xiva.
Yeah.
Okay.
Today
I'm glad to meet you. What's your name?
My name is Andrea.
Andrea, and what's your
Mara.
name? Mara.
And yours?
Okay. I'm glad to meet you.
Yes, thank you.
See you again.
See you again.
Bye.
Have a nice
Bye.
day.
See you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.